Father charged with leaving his twins in a hot car goes before a judge for the second time. He held his 4-year-old son as his wife and 2 other children stood by his side.
And now we're learning the case is not going before a grand jury yet. CBS 2's Scott Rapoport live outside the courthouse in the Concourse section of the Bronx this noon. Scott?
Yeah, the big news today, no grand jury action so far in this heartbreaking case of immense tragedy. Flanked by his family in a powerful show of support and holding his 4-year-old son Tristan, 39-year-old Juan Rodriguez arriving in court facing 2 counts of manslaughter and criminally negligent homicide for the unfathomable deaths of his 1-year-old twins Phoenix and Luna. In the courtroom, prosecutors announced there was no grand jury action at this time, and Rodriguez will be back in court on August 27th to give prosecutors more time to investigate and evaluate the case. Rodriguez has admitted to police he left his 2 babies in his sweltering hot car while he was at work last week, saying he forgot they were in the back seat. After work, when he realized what he did, he called 911. Phoenix and Luna were pronounced dead at the scene. Later this morning, family attorney Joey Jackson said what happened is a tragedy, but that Rodriguez has been completely remorseful and forthcoming.
Everyone should be mindful to the fact that Mr. Rodriguez, from day one in this case, consented. He gave a full statement, including the timeline and the history in terms of how this happened. Mr. Rodriguez consented to a full search of his phone, of his car. He has nothing at all to harbor and hide other than to feel misery and sorrow about what happened in this case.
The family's attorney says the funeral for the children is tomorrow. Live at Bronx Supreme Court this afternoon. Scott Rapoport, CBS 2 News.